Hi, I'm above the Rhine River on the border of Switzerland and Liechtenstein. I'm going to walk across the whole country to the Austrian border. Join me. This is such a stupid idea. I think it's going to rain. I don't know why I started to vlog in Liechtenstein. Literally not Portugal, but hi, I'm in Shan. It's probably the most famous thing in Liechtenstein. Hi, I'm in Mendel. One of 3 train stations in Liechtenstein. I'm a bit lost now, I'm trying to walk the country in a straight line. Still where I'm fucking going. Can't get over the train tracks. Hope there's no farmers here, it might be private land, I'm not sure. Why do I vlog the most boring places? Freezing. Hi, I'm in Schaumburg. This is the other station. Now I'm in Austria. Walked across the whole country, didn't really see much. Hi, I'm in Vaduz.